Hello friends, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. In this video, I am gonna do the unboxing, complete setup and review of my new MI Robot Vacuum Mop P. I am gonna talk about each and everything regarding this MI Robot. Setup, its app, different modes of operation with detailed demo, its pros and cons. So, do watch the video till the end to know complete details about this MI Robot. I purchased this from Flipkart at an affordable price. Stay tuned to see list of offers I applied. So, this is the main box package with all the features listed here. 2100 PA suction power, LDS navigation, two-way cleanup, app control, 3-speed water flow and a very good feature called zone cleanup. Without any further delay, let's quickly see what we have got in the box. We have got 2 side brushes. This helps in sweeping dust during vacuum. One is a spare brush. This is a mopping pad which should be clipped to the bottom of MI Robot. Material of mopping cloth is good. And this can be detached to clean and reuse. And some paperwork here. User manual. Don't forget to read this before using it for the first time. And warranty card. And this is our main unit, MI Robot. It's very heavy, around 3.5 kg and has a nice build quality. Let's put it aside for now and see the other contents. This is AC adapter with good length of wire. And this is a charging dock. This is 2-in-1 dust compartment which is used during mopping. It has a removable filter here. And this is where we need to pour water for mopping. Filter can be removed while cleaning the compartment. This is a moist mop cloth used for mopping. This can be attached to the mop pad when you want just mopping but not vacuum. Let's see the overview of the main unit now. We have 2 buttons on the top, home and power button. Inside this we have another dust compartment which is used for just vacuum. We also have a brush for cleaning. And it also has a blade to cut and clean any hair which is stuck in the brush. Now, let's see the back side of the unit. This rotating brush helps in sweeping dust during vacuum. And side brush gets fitted at this place which again helps in sweeping dust. We have a slot on the top for fitting mop pad. And now coming to the price, I got this from Flipkart during Big Billion Day sale for just rupees 15,779, and you can see the offers I applied on the screen. Let's see the setup now. To add the device, install MI Home app. Scan for the device. Add manually if it doesn't detect automatically. Make sure you reset the device and put it in network configuration mode by pressing Home and Power buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Now, select the device Wi-Fi network and add the device to your network. Our device is added now, but it has a low battery. Fully charge the battery before using it for the first time. Meanwhile, let me give you a quick walkthrough of MI app. It has 3 main modes of operation: vacuum, vacuum and mop, which are self-explanatory, and it has 4 modes of suction power: silent, standard, medium and turbo. We also have 3 mopping levels: low, medium, high, which I will talk soon during demo. Cleaning history. We can see the cleaning history of last 30 days here. We can make scheduled cleanups. We can set vacuum along edges if you want to vacuum along the edges. Secondary cleanup for repeated cleanup. Mop patterns, S mode and Y mode. We have DND mode. Notifications volume adjustment. Virtual wall or restricted area is where we can add virtual wall to restrict the MI robot from entering that area or zone. We can add multiple maps and manage here. We also have a manual mode where we can operate manually and clean the area. And some other settings for updates and FAQs. Now, let's quickly start the device and create the map. You can see how it is trying to scan and create the map on its own. Make sure we remove all unwanted items on the floor while it creates map for the first time. It can even detect the obstacles or chairs and can create map accordingly. Map is finally created and it started its vacuum job already. Let's look at the vacuum mode now. Vacuum is done in S pattern covering the complete area. I tried placing few papers on the floor to test the suction power. It has done a pretty good job in picking all the papers. I even tried to run it on the artificial grass in our balcony. It could withstand all the bumps, and I am pretty much impressed by the way it collected all the dust particles on the grass. It could even get over the carpets, provided they are firm and steady on the floor. But at times, it struggled to go over it. You can see how it is trying to cross over the carpet mat. I have a pet at home, and this robot is pet friendly too. Another good thing about this is it can go under the bed and clean complete area, which we humans fail to do it efficiently. When battery is low, it charges on its own and resumes work after fully charged. When work is done, it will return to dock automatically and charges on its own. You can see how it is going to dock automatically here. It took almost 1 hour 15 minutes to vacuum 65 square meters area. Now, let's see how much dust it collected. OMG! Dust compartment is almost full and it collected pet hair too. Let me tell you, this cleanup is done after my maid's daily cleanup. Let's look at the mopping mode now. For mopping, we need to use 2-in-1 dust compartment only. It has a lid where you can fill in the water. We can fill up to 200 ml of water in this. To test this mode, I poured some tea on the floor. And you can see it could clean it with ease. In mopping, we have two modes, S and Y. S is a low battery consumption mode and Y is a little more efficient than S mode. You can see the Y mode operation now. Map in the app clearly shows the Y pattern mopping. We also have 3 levels of water setting: low, medium, high. Here is a difference in area covered with respect to each level of water setting. Zone area cleanup is a setting where you can select a particular area in the map and clean it. This is common feature for both vacuuming and mopping. Apart from this, we can also add a virtual wall or restricted zone on the map to restrict the robot in cleaning that area. While selecting broader zoned area, make sure the robot has sufficient space to enter that area without walls in between. It has anti-collision, anti-drop and other high-precision sensors which work flawlessly. I tried testing it on a table and it managed to clean without falling down. Now let's discuss some of the issues I observed using this. While connecting to the network for the first time, and if you have a dual band router, make sure you have selected 2.4 GHz, else it may fail to connect. Our device supports only 2.4 GHz. If you have balconies with sliding doors like this, then you may need to clean the balconies separately as they won't be covered in the map created by robot initially. Be very careful when you have cupboards in the home, as your robot can try to go under it. It may get struck under it, or it can even cause a scratch to itself. If you have cloth mats, make sure to remove them before cleaning, else they can act as obstacles and lower the efficiency of the cleaning. Also, if there are obstacles like slippers or shoes on the floor, they can also lower the efficiency of cleaning. If you have a bump, especially near your washrooms, there are high chances of robot getting stuck there. If you have long curtains in the room, then MI robot may leave that area unclean, assuming it to be an obstacle. When you say edge cleaning, don't expect it to clean the edges completely. It can vacuum bigger dust particles at corners, but not minute ones like this. I feel like the vacuum mode of this MI robot is too good and more efficient compared to cleanup done by we humans. But mopping mode is not that great. Also, as we can't even use disinfectant liquid, we should still do the mopping by ourselves at least once in a week. And finally, should you buy it or not? Even though we have a few cons, I strongly recommend this product as all the issues I told are manageable and can be avoided by putting some extra efforts before we start cleaning. And guys, in this price range, this is the best in the market. Floor vacuum cleaner with mopping functionality. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share and subscribe if you like my efforts in making this video. Okay guys, see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.